Jeffrey Kingsmith here from 10 Iron Skulls Gaming, coming at you with another video. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of Hot Wheels stuff. I got a new phone, so the camera is going to be much better. I had this crappy thing that I was recording on. If you look at it, you can see that there's just a teeny tiny little bit of damage. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it's blurred. It's all blurry, and you can see that. Yeah. All exposed stuff. There you go. All destroyed. So, I got a phone. Anyway, I'm sure you guys remember this. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking Hot Wheels. I'm actually going to organize the vehicles by class. So this right here is a muscle car, it's American Muscle with a, right there, it's got drag. So this is going to be drag strip. I think this is just going to be sport. Stock cars are going to be speed. I don't know what this is going to be. I'm probably going to put it in with the unknown. Rally cars are going to be stunt, just like these guys, but these are going to be, I don't know, sport riders maybe. These guys are going to be, I think these are going to be stunt. So I'm going to have to grab the others. This right here is also going to be stunt, since it's got off-roadies. That'll be stunt. This will be drag. This will be speed. Or race. I don't know. I don't know what stock cars are going to be yet. But these will be drag. They'll be launched, I guess. Instead of using my gravity drop, it's going to use, I'm going to use this launcher. I had to get a new thing, which is already torn right there, because my nephews broke the last one, so I had to find a thing. Right here, this is a muscle car. It's going to be part of the drag. I got a bunch of cars in here, like this muscle car right here. This, believe it or not, yes, it's a muscle car, but if you look at the tail, number 67, Hot Wheels. This is actually a classic stock car. So it's going to be going with the stock cars. I'm just going to call them stock cars. They'll be like team stock car. Got another drag car. That was my water thing. Twin mill. That's going to be drag. This right here is going to go with the racers. the Honda Sprocket. We'll be going with race. Van, I don't know. I don't know what the van's gonna be. I guess probably we'll say miscellaneous for now. This right here, this will be miscellaneous. This here, also miscellaneous. Since they have no classes. Chicane. Race. Turn that off so it doesn't burn the battery. Got another stunt bike. This stock car is a piece of crap. Won't even go over the jump. I don't think I'm gonna even have the stock cars do a jump. I think I'm just gonna have them, you know, race kind of like the drag cars. That's a cheap, like, I don't even think it's branded. Video game. Fire truck. Miscellaneous. Mad Splash. Miscellaneous as well. Because actually, I'm going to show you guys something. Okay, let's redo that. $563. What? It's because of this clear right here. It's not getting the correct speed. So, like sometimes Tony will get the wrong speed because of that missing area. 285. Nope. It got the speed right. Sometimes it doesn't. So this will be going with the miscellaneous. They'll probably be show cars. This right here, we'll go with these racers. Let's see here. What else we got? We got another bike. Pass some gas or drag. I can't remember what this one's called. Custom small block. He is going to be drag. We're gonna call that a drag car. Pop a wheelie, he's gonna be a miscellaneous. Rubber tires, they're gonna be on their own. We got a stock car. Messing here. Got more to go through. I got another bike. Another drag car. Missing a piece. Found it. Can you guys name this car? Come on. It's easy. It's based on a certain car. Its name is Brick and Motor. That's based on probably the most famous. Anyway. Team Rubber. somewhere. The rest of Team Rubber Tires is somewhere. I got a couple of Rubber Tire rally cars. Anyway, so here's our lineups. The next video, we are going to do we'll do drag first, then we'll do stunt, then we'll do race. I'm going to put the stock cars in with the race, then we'll do miscellaneous, and we'll finish with rubber tires. The videos will be a couple days apart. And yeah, first we'll race these guys, and they'll contend to go up against the racers, and then the racers and drags will contend to go up against the stunt. And those winners will go up against miscellaneous, and the other winners will finally go up against rubber tires. So this is Zachary Kingsman from China School of Gaming, signing off. Peace.